Hello everyone, this is Charalambos Pissouros, Senior Analyst here at IronFX, bringing you a technical update for the 16th of November. Today I would like to update the outlook of Eurodollar, which turned down again after it hit resistance near the key obstacle of 108. I would also like to describe the technical picture of WTI, which continued climbing higher yesterday after it broke the 45 territory. So let's begin with the most commonly traded currency pair worldwide, Eurodollar. Eurodollar traded higher yesterday, but the advance was stopped near the key obstacle of 108. Then the rate slid again to hit support near the 107 hurdle. The short-term outlook remains negative, I believe, and as a result I would expect a clear break below 107 to open the way for our next support hurdle of 106.35. Nevertheless, given that there is positive divergence between our short-term oscillators and the price action, I would stay careful that another corrective rebound may be on the cards before the bears decide to shoot again. As for the bigger picture, the close below the 108 key barrier may have signaled the downside exit out of the longer term sideways range. The pair had been trading between that hurdle and the psychological zone of 115. So in my view, this has turned the medium-term outlook negative as well. Now let's carry on with WTI. WTI continued climbing higher yesterday, breaking above the 45 zone and subsequently above the short-term downtrend line taken from the peak of the 19th of October. The rally confirms the positive divergence between our short-term oscillators and the price action. And brings into question the prevailing short-term down path. Nevertheless, the price is still trading below the longer-term upside support line drawn from back at the low of the 10th of February. And therefore I would like to see a decisive break above that line in the resistance zone of 46.85 before I get more confident on bullish extensions. Our short-term oscillators detect positive momentum, but they also show signs that a corrective setback may be on the cards. The RSI edged north after it emerged above its 50 line, but hit resistance near 70 and turned down, while the MACD remains above both its 0 and trigger lines. Zooming out to the longer term time frames, I see that on the 2nd of November WTI fell below the upside support line taken from back at the low of the 10th of February. So as long as the price stays below that trend line, I would consider the medium-term picture to remain somewhat negative. However, given yesterday's strong recovery and the prospect of its continuation for a while, I prefer to stand flat with regards to the broader picture of WTI. So that's it for today. For more analysis and charts, please read the full comment on ironfx.com. You can also follow us on Twitter, like us on Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel, or circle us on Google Plus to get more trading ideas. This is Charalambos Pissouros, Senior Analyst at IronFX, wishing you solid trading.